So when you jack up your car, make sure that you put this jack stand right in between here. So the car is still on the 3-ton jack, and you put the jack stand underneath this. So when you release that jack, it will hold it. This is how I jacked it up on both sides. So now I'm taking it off so I can put the cart down. Make sure you're sitting on that, or else the cart can slip off the jack stand, and that's risky. So now you have everything. The cart is down. I'm gonna set the torque wrench. So this is a torque wrench. It's supposed to be 140 newtons meters, and